Hi, I'm Charlie. This is the Bosch IP 3000i portfolio. As you may know, we already have the FLEXIDOME IP Micro 3000i for indoor applications, and now we've introduced the outdoor model. It's waterproof and can resist high impacts. The wide field of view means that you only need to use a single camera to be able to provide corner-to-corner visibility in a small discrete form to capture the entire scene at the entrances or exits of buildings or for ATMs. As you would expect from Bosch, this camera offers high image quality and built-in intelligence that delivers actionable insights or triggers appropriate actions to help you enhance your security or to create new business opportunities.